Look at guys, my husband is taking apart all this part from our van because it's not. What is it?
Pull the heads from the van to replace the head gaskets.
Yeah, look at all this guts coming from our van. It's empty right now. Look at this. You know how expensive it is? If the mechanic is going to fix this, it will cost us probably $3,500, huh? Expensive. My husband worked so hard on this. We're gonna try if this van is still gonna work. We're not willing to get rid of it yet. So dirty right now. Because to buy a new car right now is very expensive. And I don't drive this far just to pick up kids from school, like 3 miles. So we're gonna try to fix this van so I can pick up Bobby back in port. So we have 3 cars, but I rather drive the van to pick up the kids. Look at all this bolt. That's a lot of pieces.
Not to mention the rest of the motor in here.
Oh my god, there's more in here. This is coming from the car, from the van. There's a lot of guts in here, honey bunny.
Yeah.
You can put that back. I'll be confused. That's a lot of guts. Oh, what is this right here? Another
Exhaust.
parts?
Yeah, more parts.
More parts, oh my god. But look at this, guys. The van is empty. Where's the engine on this car?
That's the engine right there.
Oh
The
my
bottom
God.
half of it.
The bottom half, this is the engine, guys. You know how expensive it is to fix part on this van. Here in America, everything is expensive, especially if you don't know how to fix cars. Very, very expensive. Not worth it. Sometimes to fix the car is more expensive than selling this old car. Yep. Look at this dirty. Oh, now it looks new. It looks nice now. Look at that. So dirty. No wonder it's so expensive to have this car fixed. It looks new one now. Okay. Is that safe? Ew. No, but this car is really dirty. It's been parking there, not working.
Take some work.
Huh? What is that stuff? Ew! Splashing all over the place. What you call that, honey?
Carbon choke cleaner. It just evaporates away.
Oh,
But it eats the oil good.
really? Soak it in first, please.
A lot of work to do on this.
Look at this, guys. This is the inside of our van. This van is very, very dirty. Look at that. It's been parked here for 3 months now because we didn't have time to fix it. We were planning to have the actual mechanic fix it, but they charge us a lot of money, so my husband is trying to fix it himself. How much was the parts, honey?
A couple $100 so far.
Yeah, but if we're gonna take this to the mechanic,
Yeah, way
it's
cheaper.
like 3,500. That's how expensive to have the car fixed here, guys. Very expensive. And this is his car. And this is my car. The van is our extra car. So I can drive Bobby back and forth to school. And we have the RV for camping.